Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I have Deora Pollock with me from the Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina area, and we're going to talk about what is one of the most overlooked things that crawl space encapsulation companies avoid whenever they're doing water management or waterproofing of the crawl space. Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, even indoor air quality. So we hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, and of course, follow us on Facebook. Okay, Deora, since joining the Crawl Space Ninja family and learning about what we do and all that, what are some of the things or one of the things that you can say is different from Crawl Space Ninja going out into the field, talking to homeowners compared to what our competition does?
Our active ventilation system is something that stands out. Our competitors do not seem to be putting negative air pressure into the crawl space.
You would think they would watch a few of our videos and learn about that, right? As I alluded to in the opening of our video, one of the biggest things that crawl space contractors and homeowners overlook whenever they're taking on standing water in the crawl space or the crawl space floods after a rainstorm, obviously, everybody knows about putting in an interior French drain and a sump pump. What's that one thing that we encourage homeowners to put into their crawl space when they're addressing standing water that most contractors overlook or even the homeowner doesn't even think about?
That would be a battery backup.
If you think about it, when is the time that your crawl space is going to flood?
When it's raining and the power is out.
That's right, during a thunderstorm, right? That's when you're going to take on all that standing water and the crawl space is going to flood and all that. So do you need power during that? Of course you do, right? So our SEC 822 battery backup system actually switches from AC to DC and uses the primary pump versus some weak secondary pump, because you're going to want that primary sump pump battery backup to be working while you're taking on standing water, right?
Yes.
That's right. So do you encourage all your homeowners out there to get a battery backup system?
I do. I include it in all my proposals.
Very good. Give us a little bit of your background. What have you done in the past and what made you decide to join the Crawl Space Ninja family?
I've done construction when I was younger. I like construction, but I went into the medical field actually for quite a few years, and I got to where I did not feel like I was helping people anymore. By encapsulating the crawl space, putting a DHU in, putting our active ventilation fan in, I feel like I'm really helping families now.
Right. Well, we want to thank you for joining us with this video, and this is Deora Pollock with Crawl Space Ninja up in the Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina area. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day. And if you got a question for me or for Deora, we hope you'll put it down below, and we'll see you later.